Hello everyone, my name is José Mauricio Perez Sierra, and the name of movie is The Good Father. This film is based of the Corleone family, which is of Italian roots but live in New York City, and that family has it income from gambling and prostitution. But as the film went on, they were presented um, with the opportunity to enter the drug business, to which Vito Corleone is denied, and this make a war between the family. Within this film, we can highlight that the children of Vito Corleone at certain times occupied the place of Vito Corleone. Uh, Before this diet, would one of the diet's business problem, and the other takes power. This is a film which has been considered of the best in the history of the cinema, and I will fall short explain the trilogy because himself it is based of shady business, family, and many other factors that make it the jewel that it is. What I learned about this film was that the family is always going to be the most important thing, no matter how complicated the situation become. This film made me feel a lot of thing add-ons. I can say that from love to rage. My academy program in the only way that relates to this film is that as every business it takes a skilled person to carry out all the process that the business entails, and to finish the most sustainable end to the series trilogy that will have fixes family problems, be others mean, and choose avoid too many deaths. Thanks for watching this video, and blessing.